am Miss Latoria, and I am with the Little Medical School of Washington, D.C. You take this and you put it around you, and then you're right, and you pump it. So if we were in class, we would physically, we would all have a chance to have our blood pressures checked. When we go to the doctor's office, there's another element to, we're waiting. We're always in a waiting room. So I would like for you to create what you would like that waiting room space to look like.
It's not very detailed.
Okay.
Let's show it and look at the side and it looks 3D.
Thank you, friends. Bye-bye. Have a fun weekend.